In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to live stream on Roblox iPad. So let's get started. Now, Roblox does not support native live streaming on iPad or iOS. So there's no like internal software in Roblox that you can use to live stream. However, you can use apps to live stream. For example, just head over to your app store and search up Streamlabs. Okay, go ahead and download this one right here and then open it up. Now once it's open, you have to log in with your YouTube channel, and then you just have to add a module and select your Roblox app, and there you go, you can go live easily. However, I wouldn't recommend this option, to be honest, because live streaming on iPad is just not it. I would recommend instead streaming from a PC or a Mac, because that's going to give you clean quality, overlays, and chat. So just go ahead and play Roblox on PC and then stream using OBS Studio or Streamlabs, because that's your best option and it's going to be smooth and your game is not going to lag if your PC is good. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.